everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper ninja star. First, we fold this paper in half. And then we open this up and we're going to fold this to the line in the middle. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Now, we're going to fold this to the middle once again. And now same on the other side. Then we're going to do this, fold it, and fold it here too. Fold it in half now. Then this fold, you're gonna face it down, because this side's facing up, so then you gotta fold it down. Now see how this side's facing down? You gotta fold it up. Then we're just gonna do the same with this one. Fold it to the middle. Perfectly. Fold it in half. Squeaky fingers. Then fold it in half again. Here. And then fold it in half. So now, instead of doing this upwards, we're actually going to have to do it downwards, because on the other one, we had done this side up, facing up. So this side has to be facing down now. And this side's going to be facing up. Then we're going to crease it real hard. Then fold it in half. Then you're going to fold this up. Now get the other one. It should be looking like a mirror. Then we're going to flip this one over and fold it down here. And same for here. We're going to fold it down. But on this one, we aren't going to do it. See how it's facing up? Now this one is going to go on top. And then we just have to see if it's going to fit. It's fitting. And then, so Wait, actually, we also have to do it on here. And make sure they're touching, but not overlapping. Good. And now we're gonna face this one like this and face this one like this. We're gonna fold this, fold it up and in. Make sure it's just touching the line. And then we're gonna do the same for this one. But this time, we're just gonna have to push it in. Then we flip this over and do the same. If it's just like overlapping like this, try just throwing it around. Then we're gonna pick this part, pocket up, and fold it in like this. And then we're just gonna do the same with the other side. Up and in. And there you go. We have our paper ninja stars. So the only thing about it is that you might want to crease the corners so that it stays flat and flies well. Hi everybody, we've made a paper ninja star. I'll show you how to throw it now. But we shouldn't throw it like this because it would just ruin the throwing. Like it won't go proper direction. We should throw it horizontally. Now I'll show you how to throw it. 3,